What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Farm and Timber vlog. Was getting ready to do my intro this morning to tell you what it is, and the wind has picked up. It's blowing probably 15 to 20 right now, so I was getting a lot of wind noise, so I stepped in the shed to go ahead and do this intro. We're going to do part 3 or day 3 of our bird netting project on our blueberry patch. We got poles set, got some eyes in it the other day real quick. Going to do a real brief run through of what we got, and I'll probably do most of the videos going to be in time lapse. So I hope y'all enjoy. But real quick, let's get the intro, and I'll go through what material I got on the back of the truck, hopefully if the wind will cooperate. All right, what we're going to do is on the post we set the other day, I got these storage building anchor kits, and the reason why I got those because originally I was thinking I was going to need the anchors for tiebacks, but I've gone the route of putting concrete around the poles, so I'm going to have the anchors in case the poles start to bend over. But the big thing in it was the cable. There was, in these kits, there's 100 feet of cable. I needed about 500 feet. If I got a 500-foot spool of this cable right here, was going to be $500. Or excuse me, 300, no, it's probably closer to $300, excuse me. These kits were $30 each. Well, I got 500 feet total cable for half of what the spool of cable was going to cost me. As you notice right here, I got some seagull cap covers that are going to go on top of the piling that we set to keep the birds from perching up on there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get on the ladder, take my chainsaw, clip the post off to what the elevation I want them, put the seagull cap on it, and then I'm going to take some roofing nails to nail those caps on. And then I'm going to take the cable and put the cable on and string it up. And when we get done string cable, there's my box of netting. We got a 100 by 50 to do the top netting, and then the side is a 300 by 12 foot wide roll to do the side nettings. And there should be a bag of clips in those boxes there that should clip everything together. I've already opened up one of these boxes. Obviously these are going to be opened up in a minute. I'm going to get and then I got my generator for power because I got an electric saw. I do have a gas powered chainsaw, but I didn't want to deal with it. The generator was started up the other day, and I'm going to need it for a paint project tomorrow. So I got the generator loaded in the truck for that paint project. We'll just use it because it's just easy. I got everything set up here. So we'll get the camera set up for time lapse, and I hope y'all enjoy. Well, the wind got us on putting up our net. This is actually, like we got done with that, folded everything up so it wouldn't blow away, and I went to go put some more insulators on another fence so we can put some electric wire on that. So it's the next morning. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Catch us on the next one. Hopefully this wind will die out and we'll get another shot at getting a net on these blueberries. Appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.